serpent lights the ancient sky of bread of tainted stars. Evil stirs, and in its wake the souls of mortals sway, and sorrow reigns over fields of red, and spirits pace through the shadows.